Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty. Let me explain where we are going to enter tomorrow and which direction. And the first, let me show you the direction of the market. Alright, so basically it's a clear uptrend, and right now price are giving some pullback. So this is called pullback, creating lower low, lower high, and the lower low, and trying to create a lower high and lower low. Alright. So if you see the global market, according to the global market, all are positive, and those on Nasdaq or whatever, all are positive. So if price open gap up tomorrow, so where our entry point? So you have to find out your entry point, and you must know the market behavior, where exactly big boys are entering in this market. All right. So basically, most of the people are thinking this is the lower low, lower high, according to price action method. But if you shift to one time frame higher, like a 15-minute time frame, so basically I'm using. So in that case, here is the demand zone. So price are bouncing from this area. Still, price above this demand zone. So everybody knows the price goes up, pull back, so they are forming ABC pattern, and again goes up. Right now here you can see pullback, goes up, pullback, and little bit pullback. But we have to know about price are going to reverse from this area, or it will continue to the downside. So in that case, we must know, or we must observe the activity of the market. So basically we use price action method near demand zone. So this is the demand zone. All right. So let's say here, according to 5-minute chart, so see here, price create a new high, and rubber band start from this area toward the south. All right. So first, when he run, it's a very strong pull back. So after that, they form a bridge. So here you can see, or you can say like a wall. So why we are not looking for buy in this area? As I said earlier video, is a strong momentum. So that is why we are expecting that price will continue toward the downside. Even here you can see again, still their momentum are alive. These rubber band men are still, he have energy. It is a probability to run again. All right. So let's say if price goes little bit higher, or sorry, lower from this area, and again pull back again from this area, so definitely we are looking for buy. All right. So if price break this demand zone, which is called this one demand, price bouncing from this area. So once break this level, so definitely I'm looking for short below this lower point. Remember, my entry point will be there. Okay. Or if price break this higher point, I'm not looking for buy. Sorry, in between this range. So let me draw the supply zone now. So this is called supply zone, still seller territory. This is called seller territory. Which one? This area still seller territory. Why? Price sharp move we have seen this area, and right now price are running a sideways. Sideways is the most important level where big player are building their order. Remember, that is the most important thing. So once price break this higher point, we will use same method, some pullback. So we'll use some price action method like that. After that, we are looking for buy in this area. So let's say tomorrow price open a gap up. So definitely we'll wait for a pullback. So in between this area, I'm not interested to take any position. I'll wait and watch. So I observe the activity in this market. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.